Hi, my name is Ivan. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create an Excel and visualize the data using Excel clustered column. According to Wikipedia, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed for different operation systems. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and microprogramming language called Visual Basic for applications. This lesson will explore the table's creation feature as well as the diagram insert feature with the tips of how to change the design of created diagrams. This training is prepared for people who track different types of expenses and would like to better understand and compare them to each other. For this training, we will need computer, Microsoft Excel, which is part of Microsoft Office, and if you track your expenses on the paper, you need to have them as well. They will be useful when we create the table with the numbers in Excel. Learning objectives of the training. Given a computer with Excel installed, the trainee will create an Excel table, enter the numbers into it, and visualize the data using Excel clustered column diagram. Let's get started. Microsoft Excel is pre-installed software, so if most of all computer users should have it on their PCs and laptops. However, if you don't have it, please go to products.office.com and download that software. After you find Excel on your computer, please open a blank workbook. We will be working in that blank workbook. Actually, before I started to record this training, I created this table. So right now you have to fill out this table with the information, with your numbers from the notes. I have already created the notes, so I will just copy and paste them into the system. And you will see that for each month, right now we have the numbers in four categories: food, rent, transportation, and other expenses. Right now we have to find the total budget of each month. For this purpose, we will be using the function which is called sum. Before using any function in Excel, you have to put equal sign, and then we write the function. The function is called sum, and then we choose all required cells, all the cells we would like to add up with, and we get the number. Then the only thing which you need to do for other month, you just need to copy the same formula and paste in the blank cells, and we will get the total numbers for each month. The next step, which we discussed already in our learning objectives, is to create a diagram which will support the table. In order to create the diagram, you have to select all the numbers, or you have to just select all the table and go to Insert tab. In Insert tab, you can see different types of diagrams, but this time we will choose the column diagram, and we will choose exactly the cluster diagram. Just click on it, and you will see that we created a diagram based on the numbers we had in our table. So I will clean this diagram a little bit because a lot of information is not required, and we will add data labels, so we will see some numbers on our diagram. Yeah, this is how we can create the supportive material for any of the numbers or tables and etc. And the other thing I wanted to show you is how to change the style or the colors of the diagram. Here you can find any design you want for your diagram, and here I will show you how to change the colors. You just choose the color you want, color set you want, and you change the color, and it's very easy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your attention, and have a great weekend.